Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. I'm a YouTuber based in Enugu, Nigeria. So if this is your first time here on this channel, please don't make it your last. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to do ponytail with a 4C hair and also a frontal. So if this is what you're interested in, this video is definitely for you and you need to keep watching. So in frame here today is my beautiful friend, Sweet Tamara. So she's also a YouTuber, Oluchi Nwobi. So I'll be leaving a link to her YouTube so you guys can go subscribe to her channel. So I'll go in with my socks cap because I need to do balding for this installation. So after putting the socks cap on her head, I dragged it down to her face and then cut out the eye part so she can still see while the installation is going on. So I went on to use my got to be spray after using the gel to push in her edges. So I used the got to be spray. So I'm going in with my hand dryer. So this process usually takes 45 minutes to an hour to get it done. So once I'm done drying, I'm going to go in with my glitter tint. So this tint is in caramel, her exact shade. So I'm going to get a powder brush and then spray it on the powder brush and put it directly on the socks cap. So I'm going to blend it thoroughly and then go in with my hand dryer and dry it one more. So up next, I'm going to cut out the excess socks cap and then trim it very well. So then after that, I'm going to get my got2b gel and then apply it on the hairline where the balding started from. So then after that, I'm going to get my rat tail comb and then get my hand dryer and work it out so it can, stick down properly. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll all be notified whenever I post a video. So I'll be using a contour shade, like a darker shade, to blend in the lines so everything can, be subtle before going in with my installation. So up next, I'm going to go in with my Hawaiian Silky, my Argan oil, and my Heat Protect. Then I'm going to do a soft blow dry. Then after that, I'm going to get my gel and mix it. So in this video, I'll be using the got2b gel and the Eco Styling gel to do this hairstyle. So I have a couple of videos on how to do ponytail, but I'm still going to leave it up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do ponytail. So I already said this in some of my videos why I love to use the Eco Styling gel and the got2b gel is because it gives it a strong hold. So I like to mix the both of them just to achieve a stronger hold. So up next, I'll be going in with the potential tint to achieve her actual shade. So I already used an elastic on the frontal because I'll be working alone, so I needed to like stay down as if it's a regular installation. So after that, I'm going to like pull it to the front to make sure it's sitting right. Then I'm going to ask her to like press down. Then I'm going to get my powder and then, you know, create a landmark where I'll be putting the glue on. So now I'm going to leave the frontal and then get my spirit, alcohol, and then clean the part where I'm going to be gluing down. So then after that, I'm going to go in with my Boldhold Skin Protect and then apply it on that same part. Then after that, I'm going to just get my hand dryer and then blow it out because we really don't have time. So for today's video, we'll be working with the Boldhold Active. So I like to use this, I like to do like 3 layers. So I do like 3 thin layers before I go in with placing my frontal units. So this first layers, I'm just going to do dots, like dotted lines as seen in the video. Then I'm going to spread it all in with my rattle comb. So I'm going to allow it clear. So when it clears, I'm going to go on with the second coat and then allow it clear too, and repeat the same step for the third one before I apply my units. So now my glue is actually clear, so I'm just going to go in and place the frontal unit on it. Then after that, I'm going to like use my rattle comb and then press down carefully. Now I'm just going to tear the lace from all sides. Then I'm going to go in with my band. There's this elastic band I usually use to like tie my frontals down. So I'm just going to use it to like tie down before I now start trimming out the excess lace. So before that, I'm going to go in with my hot comb to make sure I push in all the hairs so it wouldn't, you know, like fall on the part where I have the glue. So now I'm just carefully tearing out the lace, the excess lace from the hairline. So I'm just going to follow it because we already marked out the parts where we have the glue. So it's going to be really easy when you follow the steps in your frontal installation. So now I'm going to go in with my wax and then get my hot comb and then flatten the hair. So guys, you all can see how beautiful this installation is looking already, and my friend is actually feeling it, like she loves it. So you guys can tell from her reaction. And just so you know, this is a regular French lace, so it's not like the HD frontal, the HD Swiss frontal you see on Instagram or somewhere, I don't know, but this is technique actually made it look this beautiful. So if you have all the products and you use a good technique, you use my technique, you're going to get a flawless results just like the one in this video. So now I'm just taking out some hairs from the side jars and also the forehead to make her baby hair. So I have a video of how to do baby hair, so I'm going to leave it up there so you guys can go watch it and learn how to do baby hair. So to do her baby hair, I'll be going in with my Boldhold lace gel to, you know, do the baby hair. So I'm just gonna apply it and then get my edge control brush and then do her baby hair. So then after that, I'm going to like take all the hair backward and then get my got2b spray and spray, and then get my brush and brush it. So then after that, I'm going to like tie it and then get the extension and then start sewing. So I have a couple of videos on how to do ponytail, so I'm going to leave one of them up there so you guys can go watch it, learn how to do your ponytail. And that's it for today's video. I hope it was really insightful and you guys really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do that, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like my other videos, watch them, share them with your friends, because you know sharing is caring. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I post a video. So is there anything you'd want to see here on this channel? Please don't forget to leave it in the comments below. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.